In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft SharePoint, how to share a file with anyone. Let's start by opening SharePoint in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on the SharePoint homepage, look for the section where your sites are listed, often labeled My Sites or something similar. This is where you'll find all the places you have access to. Click into the site that holds the file or folder you want to share. Inside the site, go to the Documents library. This is the central hub for files. If your organization uses multiple libraries, make sure you're in the right one. Browse to the exact file or folder you want to share, select it, and then click the Share button. You'll typically see this near the top toolbar or by right-clicking the item. From here, you have two convenient ways to share. If you just need a link, you can paste into an email, chat, or document, click Copy Link. SharePoint will generate a link based on your current settings, and you can paste it wherever you need. Alternatively, if you prefer to send the invite right from SharePoint, start typing the recipient's email addresses in the box provided, and you can include a short message for context. Before you send anything, it's important to confirm the link settings. Click the gear icon or the permission text that usually reads something like "People in your organization with the link can edit." This opens the sharing options so you can control who can access the content and what they can do. If you want anyone to be able to open it, even people outside your organization, choose anyone with the link. Keep in mind, some organizations restrict this option for security reasons, so you may see different choices depending on your admin settings. Next, set the right permission level. Choose Can Edit if you want recipients to make changes or upload items to a shared folder. Pick Can View if you only want them to read or preview the content. For extra control with view-only links, turn on Block Download. This helps prevent recipients from saving a local copy, though they may still be able to capture the screen, so use it as an additional safeguard. When everything looks good, click Apply. If you're sending directly, add your recipients and a brief note, then send. If you're using a link, click Copy Link and paste it into your preferred email or chat